Every home has a story, and this one tells one of family, comfort, and growth, of a young family coming of age. Carl's friends, Keith and Julie, have chosen to put their beautiful 3,200 square foot home for sale in one of those next chapter in their lives.
We've done a lot of work to this place, and we do love it so much.
The selling feature for me is this absolutely beautiful tiered patio with the gorgeous pool and nothing but green space in the backyard. And I think it's just perfect to be in the hot tub overlooking those escarpment views.
With raising 3 beautiful children here, it is bittersweet, but we are looking forward to what the future has in store.
With the time we've spent here, it feels like we've done a lot of work. It's been ongoing. Recently we've done the new kitchen, we did most of the basement new, the garage doors, the roof. Done a lot of work, that's for sure, and we love the results.
The lucky people that are going to buy this home are certainly going to love raising their kids here.